Telegram login problem Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can solve the login problem with Gmail on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now sometimes what happens is that when you try to log into Telegram using your phone number like this and then you hit the arrow icon over here, if you have turned on two-factor authentication, it will ask you to actually verify the code within the Gmail. So in that case, most likely you can open the Gmail application here and then check if you have received any sort of codes from Telegram so that you can use to access it. But if you are sure you've not added any codes, sometimes what happens is Telegram might not ask you for a code sent to Gmail. That only happens when you're trying to log in from a new location. So there are a couple of steps I want you to take. Long press the Telegram app icon and then go to app info, which is the I button here. Then from here just go to storage and cache, and then make sure to just clear the storage over here by tapping the three dots option as well here and tapping on clear local database as well. Once you have done this, now you can just go ahead and then open up your Play Store. Just type in Telegram in this case and then check if the Telegram app has an update available, and if it does have an update available, make sure to update it to the latest version. After you do all that, you can also try using a VPN and trying to log into your account to see if that actually helps. So this way you should be able to fix Telegram Gmail login problem. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.